Hi guys, I thought I'd jump on real quick and show you a really quick DIY. Don't judge. Day off, cleaning, yeah. Anyways, if you remember in my California haul, I purchased some really pretty shabby chic rose fabric. And I decided that I wanted to recover this antique bench that I have in my bedroom. So I thought, hey, why not show everybody how to do this? It's a quick and easy project. And that way, if you should happen to find a really pretty chair or a bench, I don't want the fabric on the seat of the chair or bench to deter you from buying it when recovering it is so easy. So let me turn the camera around and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Okay, so what you want to do is take your seat cover and you want to lay it on your fabric where you want your pattern. You know, you want to try to center your pattern in the middle of your chair seat and just kind of like lay it down, measure it. You only want maybe 3 inches of fabric or so on each side, depending on, of course, the size of the seat. Okay, then you want to cut your fabric and you want to iron it. Normally when you sew, if you're making like clothing or something, you'd want to wash your fabric first and dry it before you would sew your project. But in this case, there's no need to wash and dry your fabric. It's just for a seat cover. So all you're going to need is a staple gun, guys. That's it. So what I usually like to do is I like to start with the corners. So I just take the fabric and I do the corner first. So I'm going to do all my corners. You don't have to pull it really, really tight yet, okay? Let me get this other corner here. And then this one. Now, I could take off this fabric because I already recovered this once. I could take this fabric off, but you know what? It just adds more cushioning, so the heck with it. All right, and now it's kind of like wrapping a present. All you're going to do is pull these edges up, and this is when you want to pull them nice and tight as you can, and staple. You want it to be nice and taut, and actually it's easier to pull it towards you. There you go. And then staple. Pull it towards and staple. All right. Now I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I'm going to pull it nice and taut. Oh no, I'm out of staples. Of course I am. All right, I'll be right back, guys. Okay, I had to go back to my little tiny crappy stapler, but you know what? I didn't feel like trying to find the staples for that one. All right, let me pull this. There we go. Pull it nice and taut. All right, a little more on this one. All right, now we're gonna do, let me pull this forward so you can see. Now we're going to do I'm going to cut some of this off here. I'm going to cut it just like this. Doesn't have to be perfect because you're not going to see it. And this. All right, and now I'm just going to take this and pull it nice and tight. Oh, wrong gun. And staple. Okay, let's do this side. I'm gonna cut this a little bit. All right. Pull it nice and tight. And staple. I have no strength anymore, guys. I don't know about you, but all right. And there you have it. How quick and easy was that? Let me reattach this and I'll show you guys what it looks like. All right, guys, here is the finished product. I love this so much better than the just plain cream fabric that was on there. Absolutely love it. So I hope this helped you guys out a little bit. So please, if you see something that you really like, a chair or a bench, don't fret if the fabric is ugly as sin because it can be changed in about 10 minutes, not even. All right, guys, catch you later. Bye.